Today I am going to show you how to upload long posts on Instagram. First, you need Instagram business account and connected with Facebook page. After that, you need to create account on greator, which I have already created before and showed you in previous videos. After creating account on greator, upload 2 photos at the same time, and do as shown in video. After this, search make.com in Chrome and create account. You can also continue with Google. After creating account, tap on plus icon to add a new scenario. Then search Instagram for business and scroll down for upload a carousel post. If you created a new account, you need to create Facebook connection after choosing carousel post. After that, do same as shown in video. Also comment down if you want to generate anime-style photos like me and how to use Mid Journey AI free.